Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $3.70. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.70, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay up above that level, that would certainly be a nice sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 370 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, seems to be the main point of price congestion right up there around $4.40. So 440 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, I mean, resistance levels matter, don't get me wrong, but what matters most at this point is just going through a healthy consolidation and chipping away and building a higher base, because as long as higher bases are put into place over extended periods of time, then eventually everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So at this point, focus on going through healthy consolidations, then chipping away at a higher base, and then just sit back and see if this trend can build upon itself or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.